again to another Kingscliff Sales and Rentals video presentation. This time we're showcasing 9 Eddy Avenue, Kingscliff. Located towards the northern part of Kingscliff, close by is the North Kingscliff soccer fields and also Coogin Leagues Club. Here's the property here as circled. And as we go down to street level, you can see it's a quiet street with a lot of homes in this area being renovated. Step inside the property, you step into an entranceway. Beyond that, a formal lounge area with ceiling fan. On the other side of this is a kitchen with island bench. Another view of the kitchen here, looking back towards the eating dining area, which is here, with this doorway going out to the outside. Main bedroom is at the rear of the property. It's got built-in robes with shelves and hanging. And another set of built-ins as well, with an ensuite bathroom, with shower and vanity. Second bedroom sees built-ins. Another view of the second bedroom and third bedroom. Main bathroom sees a bath, separate shower, separate toilet, internal laundry, and there's also a detached double garage to this property, as well as carport under main roof. Good sized rear yard area with garden shed and a nice shady tree. For more details on viewing this property, please call salesperson Julian Cleek 0400 617 494. Email him at julian@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more photos and information, visit the website at salesandrentals.com.au.